Hello everyone, ang topic na pag-uusapan natin yun is about uh, tie restore. Okay, tie restores. Okay, so itong tie restore is a solid state electronic switch. Okay, electronic switch, tatandaan nyo yan. Solid state electronic switch for high values of current in the range of amperes. Okay, so it has replaced relays and mechanical switches. So in many applications such as lighting and motor speed control. Okay, so the tie restore is also called PNP device. PNPN device, sorry. PNPN uh, device. Okay, so pakita ko yung pinaka PNP construction for tie restores. Okay? So, yung construction ng thyristor natin is yung meron siyang 4 sections with 3 junctions. So, ito yung pinaka 4 section natin. No? P, N, P, N. Okay? So, yung junction niya is ito. So, junction 1, yung junction 2 natin, and then ito yung junction 3 natin. Okay? So, ito yung pinaka terminal natin. Ano? So, terminal natin. So, ito is terminal din. Okay? So, yung terminal natin na 1 and 2 at opposite end can have voltage apply. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng dito yung uh, positive, no? Can have voltage applied at opposite end. Okay, so drawing pa tayo ng isa pa. Okay, so pwedeng dito yung negative mo, dito yung naman yung sa positive terminal na side mo, no? Okay? So, with a potential difference across the end terminal. So, yung end terminal natin. So, end terminal natin. Uh, the internal junction. So, again, yung internal junction natin ito. Mga to, internal junction natin. Have either forward or reverse bias depending on the polarity. Okay? So, since dito, ito yung PNP natin, ano? So, PNP pa rin yan. So, dito yung positive natin, andito yung pinaka-negative natin. So, yung internal junction natin, have either forward or reverse bias. So, ito ang forward bias niya kapag ito yung connection, ano? Dito yung forward bias niya sa junction 1. Sa junction 2 naman is ito yung reverse bias niya. Then sa junction 3 natin is ito yung forward bias niya. So dito naman, since ito yung negative natin, dito yung positive natin. So ito yung dito sa internal junction naman ito is ito yung reverse bias niya. Now, dito naman sa gitna yung forward bias niya. And then dito is yung reverse bias niya. Okay? So tatandaan nyo na reverse voltage at any junction, so reverse voltage at any junction prevents forward current. So prevents, tandaan nyo, prevents. So forward voltage prevents forward voltage at any junction. So at any junction prevents forward current. Okay? So prevents forward current between the two end terminals. Okay? So since the middle junction has reverse bias dito, so no forward can flow between the end terminals because of kaya na sinabi ko, the reverse bias. Okay. Now, para magkaroon ng conjunction or magkaroon ng forward na current, so the PNPN device needs an added gate. Okay, so para magkaroon ng conduction, so kailangan or yung forward, kailangan merong idagdag na gate electrode. So needed an added gate electrode. So para saan? To provide a trigger voltage that can start the current. So para kasi yung gate natin yung magiging serving trigger natin So when we applied voltage, matitrigger yung gate natin, then magi-start na ng conduction or magi-start na ng flow ng current. Okay? So now, kapag meron ng gate, so linisin ko lang yung natin Okay, so kapag meron ng gate, so dito yung gate natin. Dito yan. Dito na pumapasok, kapag meron ng gate, dito na pumapasok yung mga tinatawag na types ng resistor. Sorry, hindi pala resistor. Type ng tie restores. Okay? So ano-ano yung mga tie restores? Una is yung ating SCR. Next is yung triac natin. Next is yung ating diac. Then next is yung ating UJT. Okay? So yung SCR natin, ito ay silicon controlled rectifier. Okay? So ito is has a gate electrodes to control the start of current between anode and cathode when the anode is positive. So ito is unidirectional with positive anode voltage. So only one direction. So yung SCR natin. Okay, so ang symbol niyan is ng ating SCR is ganito. Okay, so dito yung anode. Tapos dito yung cathode natin. So may arrow dyan. Lakihan ko So eto yan. Tapos may arrow dyan. Tapos diretsyon ganyan. Then of course, yan. Ito yung gate natin So added gate, so SCR siya na tinatawag. So again, ang gagawin niya is to control the start of current between anode and cathode when the anode is positive. Okay, so only one direction. Yun yung SCR natin. Okay, so kagaya ng sinabi ko, yung the thyristor gate electrode was serves only as a lagay ko dito yung anode, ano, and then cathode. Serves only as a trigger to start the current. Now, after the forward current has started, so nag-start na, no? So, reducing the gate voltage will not turn off conduction. Okay, so kapag kapag tinanggal natin, ano, ni-reduce natin yung gate voltage, yung conduction niya is hindi basta-basta siya nag-turn off. So, ibig sabihin, continuous yung ating flow ng current. Ano? So now, the current can be turned off only when the anode voltage is reduced or becomes negative. Okay, so tatandaan nyo, the current can only be turned off when the anode voltage is reduced or becomes negative. Okay, so etong SCR natin again is a power rectifier, is considered as a reverse blocking triode thyristors, meaning that it does not conduct with the negative voltage at the anode. Ano? Now, yung typical values for the gate electrode natin is are 1 to 2, 1 to 3 between the gate and cathode. Ano? So, yun yung ating typical values for the gate electrode. So, nakapokus tayo dito ngayon sa gate kasi ang gusto nating mangyari is magkaroon ng conduction. Ano? So, kaya pumasok si SCR, triac at diac dyan. Okay? So, again, once the SCR is turned on, so since SCR yun na yung ginagamit natin, ano? So once the SCR is turned on, it stays or it holds the current. So yung may tinatawag tayo na holding current. So of course, it has a minimum value of anode current needed to sustain conduction. Okay? So yung turn off naman niya is may kinalaman siya sa tinatawag na latching current. Ano? So tatandaan niyo yung holding current at latching current natin. So si holding is responsible for holding the current. So pag conduction yan. Si latching naman is responsible siya sa uh, off. Ano? So the latching current is the value needed to switch the anode circuits. Okay, so pinag-uusapan natin dito is yung ano, no, SCR. So the anode circuit from uh, the anode circuit on from the off condition. So typically about 3 times more than the holding current. Okay? So ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng triac? Okay? So si triac is simply bidirectional with gate. So can turn off G can turn triac on for either polarity but not off. Okay, so ito kasi is kagaya ng sinabi ko is only one direction lang, ano. Now si triac naman is directional with gate. Okay, so yung pwede siyang ma-turn on yung yung gate natin, G can turn the triac on for either polarity. So but not off. So ang pinaka-symbol niyan is kung ito is one direction lang or only one direction, itong ating triac is yung gate natin can turn triac on for either polarity. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging itsura niyan is ganyan. Tapos, ganyan. Okay? Yan ang itsura ng ating triac. Okay, so next is yung ating diac naman. Okay, so etong diac natin is bidirectional to, without gauge siya. So current can flow either way when enough voltage is supplied for breakover. Okay, so a diac can be used for more effective controls of the turn on point for the gate electrodes of either a triac or the SCR. Okay, so ang pinakalas natin is yung unijunction transistor natin. So ang tatandaan lang natin sa unijunction transistor is pack as a small transistor. So the name double base diode is sometimes used for the UJT. So yung power rating niya is 1 watt. So yung maximum emitter current niya is typically 8 to 20 milliampere. Okay?